Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Riverside account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you upload a video into your Riverside account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to upload a video into Riverside anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and video is part of that, you know that Riverside is a popular way to edit and manage various videos. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Riverside account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Riverside account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to upload a video, there's actually two different ways you can get there. One, you can go ahead and upload by clicking on this button right here on the front page. Once you do that, you can go ahead and select the file from your computer. The second way you can do that is you can click right here on New Project. Once you do that, it's going to open up a new project in Riverside, and you can click right here and upload. And it's the same thing. Let me go ahead and grab a video. Okay, now it's showing me an image of the video. Let me go ahead and click on upload. Okay, now it's processing. Okay, now it's uploaded. Now it's processing into a higher definition. Okay, a quick second later, now the video has processed. So you can easily just click into the video. Okay, now we can go ahead and play it if we want to. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to upload a video into your Riverside account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.